Hey everybody, so we're gonna get this video started, and this is the unit that I am installing. This is a human hair wig, and all I'm gonna do is I am gonna clean my forehead. As you can see, I have makeup on, so I'm just gonna use some cotton wool and some alcohol to remove any oils and product from my hair. Then I'm going in with a wig cap. For this type of hair, this wig cap wasn't exactly necessary, but if you want to put parts or sections into your hair, then you will want to use this. I went in with my Gots to Be glue free spray, and of course I'm gonna let the product dry, and I went in with a second layer once the first layer was dry, and again I'm just gonna make sure that it is dry, tacky to the touch, and then I'm gonna go in and install the unit. And I'm working in sections. I'm gonna stick down the front of the unit, and I'm gonna use a little comb just to make sure that the unit adheres to my scalp, to my forehead. And of course, if you need to go in with some more free spray, then by all means do that. I had to do that for a couple of the sections, and you can see I am feeling this unit. So here I go with the free spray again, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. Apply some to the areas that are lifting, let it dry till it's tacky, and then stick it down, and that is it. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is the end result. I cannot stop touching my hair. Yes, it's mine because I bought it, I paid for it, it looks like mine. Y'all can tell me this is not growing out of my scalp. Y'all, I am not a pro when it comes to installing lace frontals or lace wigs, but this application was really easy, and the hairline looks, to me, looks really natural, especially with this texture. Now I have this unit in 8 inches, and it costs about $150 US, and this is 4C hair texture. If you have been looking, searching on the hunt for 4C hair unit, a 4C hair unit, this is it. And the best thing with this is that it is human hair, so you could dye it, you could flat iron it, you could curl it, you know, and this is it. It is a fraction of the cost of the price of other units that, you know, are 4C or claim to be 4C hair texture. Y'all, I'm gonna play around with this unit because, you know, my hair is short, and sometimes I want length and sometimes I want a little afro, you know, for certain looks. But this is gorgeous, and if you're looking for something for the summer, consider this. Consider this. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So as you saw, it comes with 3 combs in the middle of the unit and then 1 comb at the back. The only con is that I wish that it came with wig clips so that I could actually clip the unit into place so it felt more secure, but you can go ahead and sew those in yourself to the back or to the sides if you wish. But yeah, that's the only con that I found. So the delivery was fast, the application was easy for me who is not a pro. I don't know what else to say, but I love this unit. So I will go ahead and put the link down below where I purchased this unit. So if you're interested, you can feel free, shop. You can get this in other lengths. I believe it comes up into 14 inches, which would be really interested. I may consider going and get the 14-inch in this model. But yeah, let me know if you want me to experiment with different hairstyles on this unit as well. But yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, there's my face right there. Go ahead and click it and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.